Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the PolkaCipher token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you need to do in order to purchase this token. And before we get started, I just want to remind everyone as well, I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel, showing you guys how to buy, how to sell, and lots more within the crypto space. So if you guys are interested in crypto, I would really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out into the future. Now, first thing that we need to do to buy this token is just head over to our Trust Wallets. And just before we get started here, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm not going to be showing you guys how to create your Trust Wallet or how to purchase BNB and add it to your Trust Wallet. A lot of people already know how to do that within the space, so I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys need to learn how to buy BNB or transfer BNB into your Trust Wallets or creating your Trust Wallet, I will have links for the tutorials for those two things in the description as well as in the comment section down below if that is needed for anyone. But the first thing that we need to do here to purchase the PolkaCipher token is Now, the first thing that we need to do in order to purchase this token is head over to CoinMarketCap, where you're going to get the contract address from there, and then you're going to paste it into your Trust Wallet so you can purchase the token. So if you just head over to that link I have in the description and comment section, it'll bring you over to the CoinMarketCap website where we're going to copy the contract address. You can see the contract address right where it says contracts, and I'll put a red circle around this little link that you have to click on to copy it. Once you guys do that, you can head back over to your Trust Wallets, and you want to head back over to the top right corner where you'll see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. And then you can click on the little search bar here and paste the contract address in here. And then you want to click on Add Custom Token. Once you're in this section, you want to click on Network and then switch it over to the Smart Chain Network. And then you just want to paste that contract address in here, and then it'll automatically load in the name, symbol, and decimals for the PolkaCipher token. Once we see that, we can click on Save in the top right corner. Once it's saved, you'll see that you have created a section here for this token to go into once we swap for it on PancakeSwap. So once you see that here, we can just click done here and head back to this main screen. We can now head over to the link I have in the description and comment section for PancakeSwap. So that'll show you guys what to do. So if you just head over to that link, you'll just be on the home page here for PancakeSwap. And what you're going to want to do is go to the top left corner, click on the 3 lines, and then click on Trade and then Exchange. Once you guys do that, we want to connect our wallet to PancakeSwap. So to do that, we want to go to the top of our screens where we see the Connect button. Just click on that. And then instead of clicking Trust Wallet here, we actually want to click on Wallet Connect first, and then click on Trust Wallet. Once we do that, it'll open up our Trust Wallet here, and all we have to do is click on Connect, and then head back to our browser. We'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address in the top of the screen, as well as our balance of BNB right here as well. Now, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB there, and you do have BNB in your Trust Wallet, just make sure you have it in your Smart Chain wallet. If you do not have it in your Smart Chain wallet, it will not show up on PancakeSwap, so that's really important. Anyhow, once you see your balance there of BNB, you want to click on Select a Currency. You're going to paste that same address in that we got from CoinMarketCap right here. Once you do that, you'll see the PolkaCipher token. You just want to click on Import, I understand, and Import. Once you guys do that, we'll have to decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the PolkaCipher token. So let's just say, for example, we want to do 0.2. Type in 0.2, and then you'll see your balance of PolkaCipher right there that you'll get in exchange for the amount of BNB. And then we just have to set our slippage tolerance. Now, I've heard some people are using 5% to 7% for this token. So to change the slippage tolerance, you just want to go beside where you see the 3 lines there. And then you want to change their slippage tolerance right here to either 5 or 7%. You could try 6 as well if you would like to. I just know a lot of people are using 5 to 7 for this token. But once you guys set your slippage tolerance, you click on X out of here. And then you just click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should just tell you here to swap. And once you click on swap, it's going to show you another page where it's going to show you a breakdown of your transaction, like your rates and your withdrawal fees and things like that. And if you guys are happy with that, you can go ahead and click on swap again, and then it will then give you a successful transaction notice. Once you guys see that notice, we can click on done for PancakeSwap and get out of here. Head back over to our Trust Wallet, and then just cancel out of this, and our PolkaCipher token will arrive in our wallets usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the PolkaCipher token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.